I'm going to show you right now exactly how to join my favorite affiliate network in less than 5 minutes so that you can get payouts like these on sharing affiliate links. For those of you who have been wanting to integrate affiliate marketing into your business, I want to teach you how to do this really fast with a platform called ShareASale. This is my favorite platform. I use many different ones, but this one is the one that I feel has the highest quality, highest variety of merchants that I really enjoy partnering with and that really pay well in terms of commissions. It's also incredibly easy to apply to their programs and be approved. First, you are going to create an account here with a login and password. Next, you're going to be asked if you have any adult content. You're also going to be asked about your promotional strategies, and I'm going to click no on all of these. Next, they're going to ask you if your email address is associated with the domain for your website, and it's a lot faster and easier to get approved if you use the same domain that's associated with your website. Next, you'll be entering in your contact information followed by a program description here. So here you're going to type in exactly why your business is a good fit for sharing those affiliate links. How are you going to be promoting them? Next, you're going to be asked if you operate an incentive website. Most likely this is going to be a no. Then you're going to be asked if you own the domain for your website. Next, you're going to be choosing how you would like to be paid and entering in your payout information here. You can also bypass this and skip this step and do it later if you're not ready. Next, they're going to prompt you to read and agree to their terms and conditions and then hit continue. After that, you have completed the steps on your application. You next are going to receive an email from their system, and it's going to let you know that you have completed your application, and in some cases, specifically if you have a domain name and an email address that has that same domain name, then you may receive immediate approval to go ahead and begin applying to specific affiliate programs with brands, even though they're still fully verifying your application. Now, before you begin applying with specific brands here on the platform, I want you to do one very important step so that you don't have issues with your payouts later. You are going to be required to complete a W-9 tax form and submit it over to ShareASale. They allow you to do this very quickly, easily, and online right here. You're going to go into your account and you're going to scroll down to the tax form area and you can complete. Affiliate income is self-employed income, and you're going to be required to report it on your income taxes if you earn $400 or more. Now, if you earn $600 or more, then ShareASale is required to send you a tax form. Either way, you have to report it on your taxes, but they need to have this W-9 with the information here squared away in order to pay you. Next, you're ready to apply to specific merchants and their affiliate programs. In the top area here, you can click on merchants, and then over on the left-hand side, you can select the specific category and type of products that you would like to locate. Scroll down the list and view the information provided on the program. Now, clicking on any of these programs will show you all of the details for this specific affiliate program. It will tell you how much you earn per sale, either in a flat rate or on average, and it will show you any terms and conditions that they have, as well as any other specific information you need to know. If you're ready to apply to a specific program, then go ahead and click Join Program. There are some programs that require no application and grant immediate approval. However, this is one that requires an application. So here we're going to read any terms and conditions that are present on the page and check the box. Next, you're going to enter in a description that describes why you're essentially a good fit for this, how it ties into the content or the customers or the audience that you have, and how you're going to promote their links. Once you have completed that, click Join Program, and then it's going to show you that your status is pending Or if there's no approval needed, then it would in this case say that it is active. Last thing that we need to cover is that before you share any of your affiliate links, you need to make sure that you have an understanding for how to be compliant with the FTC. This is the Federal Trade Commission, and they're responsible for making sure that any advertisements or affiliate links that are shared are done so in an ethical and an understandable manner. Now, before you post any affiliate links, you're going to need to make sure that you have a disclaimer stated very clearly and in a very obvious place before you share the link. This is going to look something like what I have shown here on my YouTube video that shares an affiliate link. Lastly, I want to encourage you to download all of this information and more info in a PDF guide that I have linked for you in the description down below. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments if this will help get you started.